can see instead. Kitty 1, Kitty 2. Hear him purr. Can you hear that? Can you hear that purr? Oh, you're adorable. That one's purring too. Hey, Nibble. My two loving kitties learned how to climb up into my bed and climb out of it in just 3 days. I think you can still hear them purring. Hey, kitty. Yeah. That's the brother of Nibble. Why are you... There's Nibble. Hi, Nibble. Guys, so I just gave my cats a little catnip and put it in cat scratchers. Let's see what happens next. Got catnip. Oh, that makes them fight. Fight it out, guys. You look at me with those cuteness in eyes. It's not gonna work. I'm not gonna give you more catnip. I'm not giving you any more drugs, kitties. No more drug catnip. Oh! Kitty, there's my hand. You like it, don't ya? Hey, kitty, you like your toy? You like that toy? I can drag you away. It's behind you. Oh! You got it. You got it. You got it. I wonder what would you do if I just let you have it? Just chew on it a bunch? Okay. I don't want to rip your nail off. Okay, good. Oh, nice. Ow. Ah. This hurts me. I'm ripping. Oh, jeez, kitty. What the heck? That was a good jump. The frick. Hey, turn around. Turn. Yeah, you're scratching that new cat scratcher I got from Christmas. I mean, my birthday. You know how long I've been waiting to get you guys? 2 years. And it's definitely worth it. Here, attack yourself. Attack yourself. Alright, so goodbye, guys.